In grade 5, we have learned about forces, push, pull, and turn. Also, we have learned about unseen forces, friction, and gravity.
Gravity, Mr. Gravity, is a pulling magnetic force that draws everything towards the earth, Mr. Gravity. Mr. Gravity. Sir Isaac Newton discovered gravity when apple fell off the tree.